Okay, so for this short video, I'm just going to do a subtraction problem, and let's do specifically number 13 because I thought all those negatives looked fun to work with. So let me work this one out, and then I'll post that, and then I'll do one more from another page from this work, and then you guys are done for the night. So let's see, here we go. First, this is a subtraction problem. So since it's subtraction, you want to remember that that negative, or that subtraction sign, to me it's really a negative, and it's actually a -1 if you think about it. So that -1 needs to be distributed to the next terms, or the next two values. We got a -9 there that negative is going to distribute to, and also a -5i. Once you distribute those, you're really just using an addition problem and combining like terms. So let me show you how that's done. Okay, so let's see. Now, I'll keep the first two values the same. We got a -8 minus 3i. Nothing changed there. But now when you distribute that negative through, it's going to turn to plus. We're now adding, and this time we're going to have, let's go purple, we're going to have a +9 and also a +5i. So I think in the video before I showed you this, but now we'd be combining the like terms, like this -3i and this +3i. You add them together, and you also add these two like terms together. So the +9, let's use a little pointer tool, the +9, isn't that cool? And the -8, when you add them together, are going to become, let's go green again, purple's good. This becomes +1, and then when you add this guy with this guy, it's still going to be positive because the 5 has the bigger sign. That's going to become a +2i. And that's it. That is in what we call A plus BI form. If you remember on your calculators, we changed our calculators into that form out of the real mode form. So this is your imaginary set. Numbers that are in the imaginary set of numbers are more commonly referred to in this form. So imaginary set of numbers. And in every set of imaginary numbers, you have a real component and you have the imaginary component, the BI. And that's it for this video. Well, actually, let's just write down what the final answer comes out to be. And it is, let's use brown. We already have it, but let's just write 1 plus 2i. Let's just circle it, and everybody's happy.